Hello students, this is Bhumika Parekh and we are here with chapter 1 for golden ways, that is of moral values. Moral values have a very important part in our life because that help us become better person. It is very important that we incultivate some moral basic ethics in ourselves so that we can become better person. The first chapter is happiness, the essence of life. I'm going to read the chapter along with I'll also explain it to you. Friends, happiness is the real essence of life. It is the prime goal behind whatever we do. We keep doing a task again and again until it reaches the level of happiness that we want from it. The very first thing which he's saying is that friends, दोस्त, happiness is the real essence of life. हमारी life का जो सबसे important objective है, the सबसे important part of our life is that we should be happy. Whatever we are doing is we are doing for our happiness, and that is the prime goal, main objective behind whatever we are doing. So whenever we are doing something, we do it because we want to be happy. So happiness is our prime goal, and we are doing everything for what we. So we keep doing a task again and again until it reaches the level of happiness that we want from it. We'll do something. If you are a painter, if you like painting, you'll draw a thing. If you don't like it, you'll draw it again. If you still don't like it, you'll draw it. You'll keep on drawing it again and again until unless you don't reach that point where you're very happy and satisfied. Okay, this is the best thing I could draw. So again, when you're making that best thing, जब आप वो best चीज बना लेते हो, what are you? You're happy. So whatever you're doing for your happiness. The moment we get happy, we feel complete. Very clear and very obvious that the moment we feel happy, we are like कि okay, अभी हम लोग खुश हैं, अभी everything is fine, बाकी सबको एक बार छोड़ दो. This proves that happiness is the real destination which is chased through different mediums. This is very clearly explained here that happiness is the real destination. हम जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उसका जो फाइनल आउटकम हमको चाहिए दैट इज आर हैप्पीनेस. ठीक है, एंड वी चेज इट थ्रू डिफरेंट मीडियम्स. हम कोई हर कोई जो है वो अलग अलग चीज करता है. somebody who likes to dance will find happiness by dancing. Somebody who likes to paint will find happiness through painting. Somebody who likes to read will find happiness. तो everybody's path will be different. सबका रास्ता जो है वो अलग होगा, लेकिन फाइनल जो रिजल्ट सबको चाहिए वो क्या चाहिए? एवरीबडी wants to be happy. Some people feel happy when they love and serve others. Some feel happy when they fulfill their dreams. The same thing is there that some people may feel happy when they serve others or help others, and some feel happy when they fulfill their own dreams. Some people find happiness in somebody else's happiness, and somebody finds it in their own happiness. कोई दूसरों की मदद करके खुश होता है और कोई अपने सपनों को पूरा करके खुश होता है. Now the question arises, where can one find happiness? Actually, happiness resides at the following address: Large Smile Road, inside the heart, in the treasure that God has placed in you. So now the question is that where can one find happiness? Happiness चाहिए तो सबको, लेकिन ये मिलेगी कहाँ पर? कोई दुकान तो होगी, ठीक है? Every there is not going to be any shop now where you can go and find happiness. Okay, there will be one shop which it will not be na कि दुकान में गए and we'll say that okay, give me 2 kgs of happiness. That's not going to happen. So actually happiness is, they are giving an address. The name is Large Smile Road. Okay, the Large Smile Road. There should be a big smile on your face everywhere inside the heart. So the happiness is where? Inside your heart. It comes from within you, in the treasure that God has placed in you. कहाँ से? जहां से वो खजाना आता है जो भगवान ने आपके अंदर रखा है. ठीक है, from inside you. It comes from inside. There's no outer place where you're going to find happiness. Yes, God has placed the treasure of happiness in your heart only. Once you taste the juice of happiness, you forget worries and sorrows completely. यस, दैट इज अ फैक्ट कि गॉड ने जो हैप्पीनेस है वो सारी आपके अंदर ही रखी है. वो कहीं बाहर से आपको नहीं मिलने वाली है. और एक बार अगर आपने उस हैप्पीनेस का जूस टेस्ट कर लिया है, अगर आपने उस हैप्पीनेस को फील कर लिया है, देन यू विल फॉरगेट ऑल योर वरीज एंड ऑल योर सॉरोज कंप्लीटली. नॉट अ सिंगल पॉइंट ऑफ सॉरो और अनहैप्पीनेस विल बी देयर इन योर लाइफ. You don't need to reach at the top to get happy. If you, ठीक है, द फर्स्ट लाइन सेज दैट इफ यू यू डोंट नीड टू रीच एट द टॉप. इट्स ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको एकदम टॉप पे पहुंचना पड़ेगा इफ यू वांट टू बी हैप्पी. ठीक है, If you're happy, you will be at the top always. That if you're happy, you'll always be at the top only. You don't need to reach there. If you're happy, you're automatically there. If you equate materialistic things with happiness, then you're mistaken. अगर आप मटीरियलिस्टिक चीजों को अपनी हैप्पीनेस से काउंट कर रहे हो कि मेरे पास कितनी ड्रेसेस है, हाउ मेनी पेयर ऑफ शूज डू आई हैव, हाउ मेनी types of bags I have, or how big house I have, if I have a big car or not, if you're taking this as your happiness, then you're completely wrong. Materialistic things are meant for our comfort. Materialistic जो चीजें होती है, बड़ा घर with a big AC or a car, all these things are for your comfort, not for your happiness. ठीक है? Many people waste their lives in searching happiness at a particular place without knowing that God has spread it around us in abundance. And many people are there who will keep on searching for happiness at a particular place. They'll go to a place, they'll try to find happiness there without thinking. They're wasting their lives actually without knowing that God has spread it around us in abundance. They'll not think about it, that God has already given us happiness everywhere around us. And that also a lot which everybody can take. There's no limit for that. But in order to recognize it, we need to first activate our inner fountain of joy. लेकिन if you want to see it, if you want to recognize it, अगर आपको उस बाहर वाली happiness को पहचानना है, तो you need to activate your inner fountain of joy. First you need to learn to be happy from inside. जब तक आप मन से खुश रहना नहीं सीखोगे, तब तक आप कभी भी बाहर से खुशियां जो है वो नहीं ले सकते. If you don't want to be happy, even if I'll come and give your favorite chocolate to you, you won't be happy. So first you need to be happy by heart, and then only you can get that happiness actually. Okay. Counting your blessings is the best way to raise the level of happiness. Whatever blessings you have, ठीक है, that is the best way जिससे आप अपना happiness का level जो है उसको increase कर सकते हो. You have parents, that is a big part. You have a house to live in. You have food to eat. You have clothes to wear. You have a school to go. You are much better than many of the children around you. So that clearly should make you happy. That those are your blessings. Abhi, with all these things going on, you're safe at your home. Okay, you have food to eat. You do not have to go out to work. Your parents are providing for you. आपके मम्मी पापा आपके लिए काम कर रहे हैं, आपको हर चीज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा हैप्पीनेस है. तो you should learn to acknowledge it. You can take the injection of ultimate happiness by looking at the one. Sorry. Isn't it beautiful that there isn't any thief in the world who can steal your happiness? There's another question, that isn't it beautiful that not any thief, biggest thief, जो दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा चोर भी है ना, he cannot steal your happiness. आपकी जो खुशियां हैं उससे आपसे आपका बड़ा से बड़ा चोर भी आपसे छीन के नहीं लेके जा सकता, because that is inside you. वो कोई बाहर रखी भी तो है नहीं. You can take the injection of ultimate happiness by looking at the wonderful nature or by loving and serving everyone. जो ultimate injection है ना, ultimate happiness का जो injection है, जैसे एकदम high level, top level का happiness आपको मिलेगा, that can be done by loving others or serving others, ठीक है, and even by looking at the wonderful nature. You go out early morning, you see the birds flying, you see the plants, that will give you happiness. Because the magic of happiness rests in the very fact that it makes itself available to you in greater quantity when you spread it among everybody. Why is that possible? Because happiness is that one thing कि the more you give to others, the more you will receive. जितना आप लोगों को दोगे उससे ज्यादा आपको हमेशा ये मिलता रहेगा. So begin this lovely journey today. Soon you will become the king of happiness. So if from day one only, from today only, if you start giving happiness, if you start doing things that make others happy, you will ultimately become yourself very happy. जब आप देखोगे कि आपकी वजह से कोई दूसरा इंसान खुश हो रहा है, तो आपको भी मन ही मन में बहुत ज्यादा खुशी होगी. That was it for this chapter. Thank you.